Shamrocks Plumbing and Heating in Kelowna BC opened its doors for business in 2016. If you have an old hot water tank that needs service or repair, we provide those services. When it comes to replacing an old hot water tank, there is a wide variety of choices available. You may want to consult with us for a higher capacity or better quality model. You can choose from several manufacturers offering electric and gas fuel models. Water heater installations require knowledge of local regulations for ventilation and related factors. We are familiar with local codes and will make any adjustments if needed to comply. Call us anytime for a free consultation. 250-575-8138.